Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about Monopoly Go Max Level. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So here in Monopoly Go you have levels, which is indicated off here in the top left corner in your screen. So how it works is your net worth represents your progress towards owning it all. It also increases net worth by buying landmarks and completing property sets and such, and by reaching the next net worth tier to unlock new rewards and raise your position on the global leaderboard. So you can find the global leaderboard right here. There you go, and you can see there's 17,974. That's the highest it can go as of the moment. I'm not sure what's the max level, but I've seen people go from 10,000 to, as you can see here, 17,974, which is the highest at the moment in the leaderboard globally. So that may be the highest level in Pokemon Monopoly Go. So as you can see there, you can also level up by just playing itself and upgrading landmarks and such. By doing that, you will have milestones that you can reach to double your rewards and get exclusive rewards also by playing the game itself. So that's just how the highest Monopoly Go max level. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like. And thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.